Nice. Like fireflies in a jar. It's cool. Pickles good. Okay. You live in a motorhome, generator or not, eventually you're going to run into this problem right here. Last night, about 10:30, we were sitting back, fixing to go to bed, watching some TV, and in the middle of our show, the air conditioner and the lights and the TV shut off. Well, the lights didn't. They just blinked. Anyhow, what happened? The main shore power plug had a bad connection and lit on fire inside that box right there. It was connected to this extension cord, but it lit on fire last night, and I barely got that put out in time to keep this RV from catching fire. If you feel heat on any of your shore power cords, better get a close look at your plugs, make sure you got good connection. So this one here decided it didn't want to hang around very long. That right there could have been the difference between a home and homeless. Just want to let y'all know. New plugs. This one right here, made by Camco. That one right in there, same thing, made by Camco. Are about 30 bucks a piece. Trust me, when you're thinking about $12,000 to $50,000 RV, they're worth every penny. You look at your wires. Even if it's just once a year. I can have them. Love you. From here, should be easy. Just take out everything, take everything loose from the inside, slide new one in. there is how this thing is held together. Battery's charging. Some of that done. We'll take that apart. And Anna's gonna be hiding back there. Because all of this mess up here is gonna drive her OCD absolutely insane. Pickles don't know what to think. You got pretty good. Okay, good. It does work. Mike Wells gave me this thing years ago when we were working on the house. I guess it was my working on the house present.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed I can't seem to get.
Alright, there's cab over. Floor is replaced. Still got a little daylight over there. I got a little silicone sealer in there. We got daylight showing in that corner, daylight showing in that corner. I gotta open up that edge right there on the outside. Just screw that up to the boards. And that'll close that off completely. A little bit of silicone sealer as well.
I'm inspired by thirst.
Floor is
I'm
replaced.
inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just
Next
hide while
is
I work. I ain't tired.
Clean this mess up.
I'll write a second,
Get
third
some
verse
cabinets.
about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside.
Okay, baby, this is a taste test. Have you ever had a pork chop so tender that you can cut it with a fork?
Not yet.
Okay, dig in.
Oh, wow.
And tell me what you think about my chicken and noodles and my Instant Pot. It's hot, be careful.
Amazing.
Is it good?
Mmm.
I was kind of skeptical because I have not done it before, and I've read and seen videos where if you use cream of anything that it'll burn, but it didn't.
Amazing, baby girl. You did an amazing job.
Thank you.
Okay, now the cab is rebuilt. Put back together. Gotta go get cabinets. Okay, we gotta wait on Winnie. Nothing new. Talk to you later.